Hi Tash. So this is Toxic. We're going into Britney Spears. So yeah, the first step is, I'm going to move this over here. Okay, so the first step is sort of like a, how can I say, it's sort of like you with your right hand, like a circle, and drop the hip. So circle, drop the hip, and then the other side, circle, drop the hip. So it's like a 2, 3, 4, twist, down, down. Yep. So like a, how can I say, like a circle, drop, okay. So that's the first step, circle, drop, and then the second is cross your hands over your shoulders, back, up. So it's circle, cross, up and up, down. Okay, so after the circle, cross over, up, down. The next step is it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4 with the hips, and at the same time we've got right hand sort of like to the face, right hand, left hand to there. Okay, so it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but that's with at the same time we do that 4th step, it's with the hand, so right, left, together and down. Okay, so start from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, hip, crossover, up, down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then after the 4th one it's the circle, hip repeated. So circle, hip, crossover, up, down. Okay, so there's sort of 2 of those. So let's start from the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, hip, up, crossover, up, down, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What are you laughing at?
No. Sorry.
Anyway, my son's in the room. Okay, so let's start from the top. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, circle, hip, crossover, up, down, and then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, circle, hip, crossover, up, down, and then the second, after this one is like a sort of a 1, 2, 3, 4, sort of walking back, sort of like a, but she's sort of like a pointing. So from front on, it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So from the 4th step, and it's slightly walking backwards. So you've just done a circle, hip, crossover, up, down, and then it's just the 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it actually starts off on your right foot, left foot, right hand, right foot, left hand, left foot, right hand. So sort of like a 1, 2, 3, 4. So we finish the 4th one with the right hand out, the left hip sort of down. We're going to drop down and do like a thing like that, dropping our head sort of like a circle. So starting from 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle and down to there. Circle all the way up. And then from there, we pick up the right foot, and start walking forward like it. But it's sort of like a 1, 2, 3, 4. So so from here, sort of like it's like circling the hips. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So you finish on the left foot, and from here we drop our hands, and the right foot we do 4 circles of the hips towards the front. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So that's 4, and then the next one is keep that going after 3 and 4, and then we're going to put our hands out to the side with the hands sort of fanning out, sort of like it. So it looks like a 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hands out 2, 3, and 4. And then the last one, the last step is just sort of like a bending down, running the hands up the leg to there, and then we can just sort of shimmy off. So we'll start from the top, and then we can do it with music. Okay, so we're going to start off with the circle hip crossovers. Then that 1, 2, 3, 4. Then circle hip crossovers. And then the 1, 2, 3, 4 turning around. And then the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then down. Okay, so start from the top, and I'll do it in counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle hip crossovers. Up, and then 4s. 2, 3, and 4. Circle hip crossovers. And then the 4 back. 2, 3, 4. Down and up. And then we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 1, 2, 3, and 4. And hands out 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then bend down 2, 3, and 4. We can just do whatever, and then off. So we'll start. I'll just stop it.